Oh man, hey,
It's good to see you, man.
it's good to see him, and guess what? Good to see the old
It is, yeah. I was just looking at it.
man. This is what we do. We have some customers from Pennsylvania and a customer from Georgia. Having a little gathering here. Everybody's happy talking motorhomes. He's one of our best customers. I mean, all our customers are best when they give us money, right? No, but he's a special one. He bought a motorhome that my wife, I, Brian, and our daughter Nicole, we used it a lot. Point out to that American Eagle right there. And you know, no motorhomes are ever perfect. If you're looking for a motorhome that never breaks down and always give you fun, please don't buy a motorhome. What do you say?
No.
You got to keep working on it.
I work on this all the time. Shin told me everything that was wrong with it. I've had nothing. We put 37,000 miles on it, all over the country. Nope, no problems. Other than little nitpicky things that you got to keep up with. That's it. Keep up with it, you're good.
Well, we just wanted to shout out on the YouTube world. This is real. And the guy's taking the video. He's from Pennsylvania. He's going to buy a motorhome in fall, but we show it to him now and just treat him like he's buying today.
When he gets back from deployment, Navy.
That's right. Go
Yeah.
Navy.
Hoorah.
And go Eagles.
That's
Go
right.
Tigers. You got anything to say, Mike?
No, I just really appreciate having great customers. I mean, we try to do right by others, and obviously we are trying to make money. But the fun part is meeting fantastic people out there, like Larry, like y'all. So, yeah, we look forward to many more memories in this market. And yeah, we enjoy what we do too. We're gonna do a customer run at some point. Everybody's
Maybe
gonna
he'll
get
be
together
with
and
us.
have some fun. You're gonna be with us.
Yeah.
That's right.
Get
That's
some
right.
s'mores. We'll have some fun. We'll look for you guys on that video. We'll make a video of that too.
Thank
Keep
you.
everybody coming.